Howdy y'all, name's Devin. I'm going to be talking to y'all about the Kanger tank and the OCC coils that they're factory built. Now, factory builds come in 0.3, 0.5, and I'm going to tell y'all today how to make them better. On around maybe 0.1, 9, 0.2. Get amazing vape, amazing flavor. But first, let's vape a little. Now, sorry, a little smoke. Now, these coils are easy to build. All you gotta do is take a piece of 26 gauge wire. Take a little small screwdriver, fold your wire in half. And these are for like a little bit of people that have been building over the years. All you do is bend it in half. Take 3 standard wraps. Okay? 3, just 3, because 4 won't fit. And you put it in your little OCC coil. Make sure your wires are flat when you go to put the plug in the bottom. And just screw it in, fill her up. She's ready to go. This coil will take 36 watts. 36. Amazing flavor, amazing vape, and I'm rocking the IPv4. It's just amazing, just great flavor, big clouds. Y'all need to go try these. Let me know what you think.